evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. We are very, very pleased to have you here at Boiler India Expo.
Good evening and welcome to our stall. And let me just brief you something. Our company named Incosteam. So as the name goes, it is to do with incomparable steam products.
Right.
Okay, and hence Incosteam. This was in short about us. And then also I wanted to just say that if you see our tagline, okay, our tagline is very clear, which says conserving energy and preserving tomorrow. So that speaks volumes about what we aim to do, what is our vision. As far as our core group goes, so basically our core team has got more than a century's experience in this field.
Right.
So all put together, we have more than 100 years of experience in the same field. Okay. So we have worked with some very renowned companies in the same line and have finally thought of starting off something on our own. So that's in short about our company and ourselves. I am Indira Rajput. So I'm one of the stakeholders and the director in this company.
Good evening and welcome to our stall in Incosteam. My name is Narpendra Singh. I am the CEO of the company. And basically when we started this company, it was like to address the pain points of our customers. The experience shows that there are a lot of pain points which our customers has. The manufacturers were giving something, the customers needed something, and there was definitely a gap between the two. What the market expectation is and what the manufacturers are giving. So we thought of bridging that gap, and that's what we are here, coming with incomparable features of our products with Incosteam.
So, I'd like to understand, is this your first time here at Boiler India Expo?
Not really. At least more than three times we have been earlier.
Editions.
Yeah.
So, what is it that you think makes you keep coming back here at Boiler India Expo?
Basically, we have seen that in 3 days, we have a very good footfall. We have very good networking with the customers, with our prospective clients. At one place, we can showcase our products. Otherwise, we have to go to different customers, different places. So this becomes an ideal platform wherein each day we can, like say, more than 100 customers visit, 200 customers visit, and that is it.
And any specific objective that you have this year, other than the previous editions that have happened, or any specific products that you are here to showcase this year?
Basically, if you look at, we have come up with products which are unique, which are reliable, and which are like made for the customers.
Right.
When I say made for the customers, these addresses the pain points of the customers, and that is what we want to showcase here, showcase our customers. And I think the first 2 days, we are getting a very good response here.
And also to add the point that you raised, what we found in the earlier 2 years that we were here, that actually the base that we got from this exhibition, first of all, the Boiler India, I would like to really thank them. And every year I find that they really manage this much better than the previous year. Okay, so it's very well managed. One, they give the right exposure, and both the years we found it very successfully. We got a good turnaround on business. The footfalls of the customers that came last year became our key customers this year, and it's the same hope that takes us forward, and that this is our own company and we have so many new products which are all patented now. We want to reach out to our customers and make them have this benefit. So that's the aim that we look forward for this exhibition.
How would you describe Incosteam in its essence? What would you say its essence is?
At Incosteam, like the name suggests, that incomparable products, incomparable features of our products, incomparable features which give the customers a solution to their pain points.
I see.
When we started this company, the entire value foundation, what we created for our company is like the customers, where we actually identify their pain points and address them. We have products which have solved problems which have existed for last 70 years. And we have solved those problems, and we are proud to say that we are the first one to solve those problems for our customers.
Also, just before that, on to the main vision of Incosteam, what is besides, yes, as he rightly said, customer pain points, but also we believe a lot more on women empowerment and getting the woman potential to the next level. That's why you find that there are 2 lady directors in our company, and you will find by, we are live examples. I am a live example of showing how the entire focus is to promote women potential to the next level. Otherwise, in this male-dominated world today, I do not think women get so much of exposure and chance to actually stand out and showcase their products. So I think we are a live example of also women empowerment, which we are a live example of that.
That's a very interesting insight you have.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. How does Incosteam International ensure the efficiency and reliability of its steam solutions across different industries?
At Incosteam, what we do is we have seen that all industries, whether name any industry segment, whether it is chemical, pharma, textile, paper, a potential of 20 to 25% of fuel saving or steam saving is there. How do we do it is a key thing. First of all, understanding that there is a potential. That's the first thing. We make our customers understand that they have a potential of saving about 25% of their fuel cost. That's the first thing. Then we move on to the second thing of doing how. The how comes first by actually addressing their, which are base things of stopping their losses. In any industry, there are losses about of 10 to 12%, 15%, which can be easily done, and we stop those losses. And second is the improvement part. We improve the existing processes, we increase the efficiency of those processes and get to that improvement. So till the end, I think any industry, I can confidently say that 20% to 25% of fuel savings are easily there, which will not only help the customer, which will help the country as a whole and the world as a whole.
What innovations has Incosteam introduced to improve the safety and performance of its steam generators?
Okay, at Incosteam, we believe in innovations. The products what we manufacture actually are very innovative. When we say innovative, means something which is not existent, which is not there, and we try to bring those things. So it starts with that. Doing it how we do it is another very thing. So all that experience comes in, but as I said, entire thing is driven by our value systems, which is addressing the pain points of the customer, and we innovate on those pain points.
Right.
For example, we are the first one to introduce float traps which have maintainable strainers in it. Where people have been using float traps along with strainers separately, and okay, as a system we give it, but doing it is not possible because the things which are difficult to do are not done. So you make it easy for doing it. That's what we have done in our products. We have ensured that the strainers can be cleaned online when the process is on, and I think we are the first one in the world to do that.
How does Incosteam tailor its steam solutions to meet the specific needs of industries like textile, pharmaceuticals, and food processing?
Every industry, the base processes are same. How does the steam generation happens? The efficiencies of that, the line distribution losses, the process applications. But industry to industry, there are specific needs of those industries, and you have to tailor-made your solutions accordingly, and maybe tweak your products accordingly. So maybe I'll give you one example of a food industry, like a rice industry, wherein our traditional products like traps does not work to remove the condensate because the entire process pressure varies highly. At start of the process, the pressures are high, the temperatures are high. As the process is on, during the last 4 hours of the process, the steam pressures reduces to a below level. There the traps does not work. So we go into the other part of it and we develop pumping traps. So we have actually launched pumping traps in this exhibition for us, for the customers.
So that is something new that you have introduced for the first time?
We have introduced for the first time, for us, for our customers.
Now, coming back to our last question now. What are the key factors that have contributed to Incosteam's success in both domestic and international markets?
I want to start by saying, see that as he rightly explained, At Incosteam, see, we having this background of so many years of experience and interaction with customers, we have actually understood their pain points, right? So we tried to, when we came up with these products, what we actually focused is to see, we tried to bridge the gap between what the customer wanted versus what the industry, manufacturing industries were able to supply. There was a gap in it, and that's why the pain point was there. So we indeed tried to eliminate this pain point. By doing so, and also, this is one part. Besides this, since the team is an expert in in carrying on audits, we do not do only audits. We do the entire design layout for the plant, right from the inception of the company to supplying products, to doing installation and commissioning, and to finally proving the savings for the customer. So when you do the entire end-to-end chain and handhold the customer to the end, I mean, what else would a customer want? So the aim is to make sure that you have a satisfied customer by taking care of their pain points and actually proving them the savings. So I think that has made us very not only competitive in the market, but as one of, I mean, we've got so much of requests today where the customers are actually trying, we are not able to cope up with the need to visit, to advise, and both domestically and internationally. This is the main thing I think that has pulled us into the market.
I think she has rightly summed up. It's basically the knowledge. The knowledge of steam. Actually, that helps us in giving solutions to our customers,
Right.
what they need. And that is the key thing. That addresses everything. If you have a correct knowledge, you will give correct solutions to the customers, and in turn, give them the correct, right solutions so that they can save on their fuel bill. That's the key thing and the success to our story.
So, to conclude, I'd like to ask you, what is it that Incosteam will be focusing on in the years to come, let's say 10 years down the line? Do you have any particular direction that, Incosteam would like to focus on this area if we are to imagine Incosteam being at a certain level after 10 years? Is there anything in particular that you are planning?
See, I would not go by the numbers, like, okay, fine, we will be this much, we will be having so much of turnover. No. But what we will be doing is empowering our customers with solutions that what they are running today, their fuel bills are running today, we should add value to their business and ensure that the losses, what is happening today, are removed and eliminated. And that would be our focus and key point. I think if you look at India, India is a vast country. You have some big corporates,
Correct.
and you also have very small industries where the losses can go up till like 50%. So we will have to reach to all those customers and bring them to a level wherein we reduce those things and ultimately save us for our country and for the world, which is very important.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
For your important insights. We hope to see you keep coming back again to
Yes.
Boiler World India and Boiler World Expo
Sure.
that is happening in Southeast Asia now.
Yes.
And if in any case you're related to reactor and chemical allied industries, there's also reactor.
Yes, we are
World
taking
Expo.
part
We are
in it.
participating in that.
Oh wow, that is really good to hear.
Yeah.
So I hope to see you there again.
Yes.
Sure.
You will.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thanks
Yeah.
for
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.